Hi everyone, today I'm here with Talipa, and she is a BIT student, and Raja, a math and science student that doesn't take BasEng class. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna share you about my basic engineering project for this term. So, the project description is to emphasize the need for innovative and sustainable earthquake-resistant building designs. And it highlights the dual focus on improving structural integrity to protect lives and integrating sustainable practices to minimize environmental impact. So as you know, like there are a lot of buildings in Indonesia that doesn't have like a good structure for reacting to earthquakes, and that is why in this basic engineering project we are tasked and we have a mission to create a building that is earthquake resistant. And our project focus question is how can innovative and adaptive structural design reduce the impact of seismic forces on buildings seismic forces on buildings in earthquake prone regions. And this is my product. Yay! Ta-da! So I created a 3 floor building. Well, it doesn't have the roof or the floor, but this is the building itself. Yes. So what do you guys think? Does it look sturdy enough to face an earthquake?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Do you want to touch it? Wow.
So strong.
So strong.
This building, we can only create this building with 100 ice sticks.
How many did you use?
I use about 80.
80?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have like a minimum. What is it called? We have like a minimum.
Can you cut the sticks?
Yeah, you can cut the sticks. I cut mine here.
Mm-hmm.
We have a minimum like size. We need to surpass like 30 centimeters in height, and then for the width, there's no minimum width.
There's no limit?
No. Oh, there's a limit, but like you don't have like a minimum
How much
size.
time did it
There's a
take?
maximum but no minimum.
There's a maximum, but there's no minimum.
Okay.
Yes. How much time did it take? It took me about 3 weeks in total. That's with planning and with building this and buying all the materials needed.
How much did it cost?
About 50,000.
50,000.
Yeah, because it's really cheap. Popsicle sticks are really cheap, and yeah, basically this is my building. And
Are you allowed to use anything aside from popsicle sticks?
no, we can only use popsicle sticks and white glue, like white fox. We can't use lem kayu. We can't use that. We can't use tape. We can't use masking tape. We can only use. We can only use white glue. And the mission of this video is that we can that our building have to survive in a 4.0 or 6.0 magnitude and for 30 seconds.
Have you tested it?
Not yet, because the machine is not done yet. Mr. Agam is still building it.
Also, there's a machine on that.
Yeah. So when we're done testing it with a machine, I will do a report on it, and I will probably inform you guys.
Okay.
Do you know the theory about why you think this is work? What about this makes it strong enough to stand on?
Okay, what makes this strong enough to an earthquake is because these structures, like this triangular structures thing, helps it be more solid, I guess. Because if one of the sticks fall down, this stick still like holds them. So, like, if it boom like that, it still holds them. So yeah.
What happens if you don't have the thing like that?
Well, you could still survive with it, but you have like a smaller chance in surviving. And I added a few more sticks beneath here so that it would be balanced, because without these sticks, it could be like imbalanced and it could make it unfair for me and for others. Okay. So, that is it for my project.